Hi Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Pisces, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the rest of July 2021. Also Pisces, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Pisces, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into your person energy here Pisces. Okay, so we are going to pull more cards if needed, but let's just work with this first. On this side here is your energy Pisces, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the energy or the roles can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I've got coming up for you here Pisces, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well, Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's look at into the energy of both you and your person will be going through throughout this month. I'm going to start from your energy first here Pisces. So I've got peace, I've got Page of Cups, and then I've got the Four of Wands energy coming up here. So your energy coming up here for the rest of the month of July 2021 here with this peace energy, I feel like you're going to be more in peace, I would say, here within yourself here Pisces. There is definitely going to be a little bit of feeling anxious or just like a little bit of fear and doubt coming out within yourself, especially during the upcoming full moon. But generally what I'm getting coming up here Pisces is that you are becoming more in control of yourself. You're becoming more in control of your emotion and of your feeling. I feel like some of you here also already know how to deal with things or how to deal with your emotion, as well as all of these telepathic messages that you've been getting from your person. Most of the time here Pisces, whenever you are feeling down or whenever you're feeling stressful here, those energy are not coming up from yourself but from people surrounding you here. So your friends, your colleagues could also be that you are picking up your person energy here as well. So I feel like this is why you need to be more in tune within yourself here and understand where are all those emotions, where all of those anxiety, fear, frustration and everything trying to come into your life. This is how you are becoming more in tune within yourself. This is how you're becoming more in power and more in control within yourself here Pisces. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here, I've got the Page of Cups energy coming up here with the Seven of Pentacles. I do feel like here Pisces that you are also already coming up to that particular acceptance and surrender energy here within this particular connection, because you do know that there is still a little bit of, for yourself here Pisces, I do feel like some of you here still have some of inner child issue or some of inner child healing that you still need to go through here. But I do feel like the rest of you here have gone through a lot of transformation and a lot of healing within yourself here, so this is definitely a good thing. But I feel like you're also understanding that your person, your partner here is now needing to go through the healing, needing to go through the transformation within themselves. So you are coming up into that particular acceptance energy that you understand and you ready to accept that it may take a little bit of while for them to go through that, for them to fully heal and for them to fully transform within themselves. But you do know that now you have already planted the seed, and now it's just like time to put your trust onto the universe, be grounded in faith and just see all your faith and see this particular seed that you have already planted here finally blooming and giving you the fruitful outcome is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Pisces. Which is then what we are getting here is that for the outcome here, I've got the Four of Wands energy coming up for you. This is basically talking about the union that is going to happen between both of you here, Pisces. So overall energy that I'm getting coming up here is that the union is definitely still going to be there between both of you and your person. And I feel like because of this surrender, and you already coming up into that particular acceptance energy here, and you're also putting up more of your energy into yourself instead of worrying or instead of stressing about what is the future to be, and instead of rushing and chasing your partner here, you're also becoming more in control within yourself. And this is what going to push thing into this is basically what going to push things into the union to happen faster between both of you here, Pisces. So let's look at into your person energy here. So I've got the present power, I've got the Eight of Pentacles, and then I've also got the Five of Wands coming up here. So let's start with this present power energy, and then I've also got the discovery coming up here as well. So at this point of time here, what is going on with your person here is that they are currently in this process of discovering or rediscovering themselves here, and there is a little bit of inner conflict is what I'm getting coming up from your person. That will be happening at least throughout the month of July here, but I feel like during the full moon here, Pisces, they're going to be a little bit struggling, and like going to feel that inner conflict, that frustration, that's just like doubts and everything just starting to come to your person. So this is also another reason why I feel like you might be slightly affected during that full moon energy. But with this discovery and the present power coming up here, this is like with them in this particular energy of discovering or rediscovering what is it that their true soul purpose is, what is it this particular soul connection have for both of you here, and what is it that they're supposed to be doing within themselves here. All of this thing is what going to bring them to that particular realization, not only about the soul connection that both of you share here, Pisces, but also about the soul purpose and what is it that they're supposed to be doing within themselves here. The only thing that I'm getting that they struggle at this point of time here is that trying to maintain the balance within themselves here. So what happened here is that they are mostly running away or jumping from running away from the past and having the anxiety for the future. So this is currently why they are feeling, or why they are coming up as a very strong ungrounded energy at this point of time here, Pisces. But I've also got the Eight of Pentacles and the Two of Wands energy coming up here with this Five of Wands energy. Even though at this point of time here, they are seemingly to be a little bit stuck within themselves here, and to be having all of this inner conflict within themselves here. But with this Eight of Pentacles energy here, not only that they have already decided to work on themselves here, to put the work and to put the effort towards themselves here, but they're also already starting to realize is that the more that they're running away, not only from you but from their own emotion here, they're not going to reach into any conclusion, they're not going to reach into any destination. So this is what making them to come into that particular realization, or making them to start realizing it here, that unless and until they work within themselves here, unless and until they are letting go the selfishness, the ego within themselves here, they are not going to get anywhere. And this is going to what pushing them or triggering them to work onto themselves here with this Eight of Pentacles is what I'm getting here, Pisces. So that's it for you and your person energy here for the rest of the month of July. I hope the reading resonates with you, Pisces. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.